Carving stamps can be moved, rotated, scaled, reshaped, and deleted individually. After a stamp has been raised in the Appearance tab, sometimes editing the stamp will change the length of the floats of the satin stitch, so the stamp will work on the object. Select the stamped object and click on Reshape. A green square appears on each stamp. To select the stamp, click on the green square, and additional control handles appear around the stamp. Hold the Control key and click and drag the stamp toward the center to resize the stamp proportionately. If you click and drag away from the center, the stamp gets larger. If you hold the Shift and the Control key and use a corner resizing handle, the stamp will resize proportionally from the center. You can also move a stamp. Click on the stamp to select it, and then just click and drag the stamp to move it to a new location. You can also resize a stamp disproportionately by using either the control points at the top or bottom or on the sides. Resizing from the base up will make the stamp larger only in height, and resizing using one of the side controls will change only the width. You can also rotate a stamp by selecting the stamp and using the rotate symbol to rotate the stamp. The stamps themselves can be reshaped as well. Select the stamp and then click on the outline around the stamp to show control points. You can move a control point. You can add a control point by either right or left clicking on the line. You can delete a control point by selecting it and pressing delete. And you can change a control point by selecting it and pressing the space bar. If you want to resize the reshaped stamp, select the stamp and change the size of the stamp. You can also delete a stamp by selecting the stamp and pressing delete. So once your stamps are formed, they can be edited. One other thing that you can do is to change the angle of the object itself. The line that connects the two peach squares can be changed. This represents the angle. Rest your cursor on a peach square and click and drag to change the angle. So you can see there are many different ways to edit a stamped object.